There is our dining room, guys. Then going through to the kitchen. Here is our kitchen. Going to the bedroom, main bedroom. There's frogs here. This is our main bedroom. Look, guys, it is raining. This is our main bedroom. This side is raining. There's our bedroom. Our biggest bedroom, guys. Big bedroom. Yeah. We'll do the concrete. Going out to the kids' room. Going out to the kids' room. There's the passage. Let's go, guys. Let me show you around. This is the bathroom where I slept today. This is the bathroom, and where I put, these are blankets. These are blankets because it's raining too much. I just cover them with the plastics. I was cooking here, I slept here. There is my bag. There is my bucket of water. This is the toilet. Toilet, guys. Toilet, guys. Then going this side, we're going to the girls' bedroom because I have two girls, guys. This is their bedroom, and look how damp is it. Look how damp is it on the wall. On the wall. It's because since I've been here, it is raining. It is raining, guys. Here is where the builder took our money and ran away. There is too much frogs. Second bedroom for the kids. Guys, this is another bedroom for our kids. Look how damp is it that side. Don't know, the builder said we need another damp course on top there. So going out to second bedroom. Second bedroom. We are going to the third bedroom, boys' bedroom. Here's boys' bedroom, guys. Look. Boys' bedroom is wet. It has been raining since Saturday. So guys, this is the tubing that was done, and after tubing, our builder ran away, so we are looking for someone to finish up the plastering, because the tubing was done. Then our builder just disappointed us, guys. Look at the termites, guys. They are all over. I have to find them, that thing, the termite thing, so that there can be no termites. So guys, this is our house. This is our house. This is our house. Look what the builder did. He took the money and ran away. The plastering was not done. Here, he didn't come and finish up. He ended up telling us stories. So guys, when I'm coming back soonest to come and put concrete, because we need this house up and running. This is my kitchen, guys. What do you think? There is the kitchen. What do you think, guys? Tell me how I can put things in here. Please advise. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.